You are right, little lad. Are you ready for Easter?
Of course! What's not to like about Easter? Who can say no to a chocolate egg?
Well, I'm not really a fan. I'm lactose intolerant, so chocolate without dairy, well, it's just not the same.
What does lactose intolerant mean?
It means I can't drink milk.
Oh, that's okay. Apart from the odd bit on a cereal or in a cup of tea, who drinks milk anyway?
I can't have butter either.
That's fine. That stuff is full of fat anyway. You'll live longer not eating all that butter.
Obviously, I can't have cheese.
What?
I can't have cheese.
What? Say it ain't so! You can't have cheese! Is life really worth living without cheese?
Well, it's only cheese.
You need to man up and not let this lactosey thing tell you what to do. You need to eat the cheese. You need to love the cheese. You need to worship the cheese. You need to live your life the way the big cheese gods would want.
Well, it's not that easy.
Look, all this talk of cheese, it's made me really hungry. I'm going to go and eat some cheese. I'm glad we had this discussion. It's cheese time.